Hey, welcome back everybody. Rusty's Backyard RC. Today we've got our Traxxas Slash up on the bench, and it needs a new motor. This one is seized up, so we can grab both wheels and tires and try to turn it, and that motor just won't turn. So we're going to be replacing that today with a new motor. So let's get down in here and we'll get to work. Alright, let's get down in here. Remove our body clips. Magnetic trays, those things are a lifesaver. Oh, let's put it to the side. Okay, so what we are after is going to be, we're going to get that gear casing off, so let's pull the wheels off. Alright, so next we're going to pull our transfer case cover. Two screws, there's one up here and then there's one down here on the bottom. There we go. Okay, that's a little dirty in there. Okay, so now that I've got that off there, I can give it a spin, and you'll see that this gear is not wanting to turn. Differential's good, so let's get this bumper off. I think actually we can. So what we got to do now is take this screw out, loosen that one so the motor will come out, but we've also got to take that pinion gear off that shaft. It won't pull through the other side. Motor's undone. There's our pinion gear. we go. Alright. So there's the old one. No, we can't get that one to turn. So probably what I'll do is I'll hold on to it, and although I've never done it before, I might take it apart and see if I can't figure out what's got it locked up, clean it up. Maybe we can get another spare motor out of it. Alright, we grab our new motor. And the part number on that one is, here we go, 3785. 3785. And by the way, I do not get paid any endorsements for all this. Ah, battery's ready. Cool. Yes, yes, I hear you. There we go. Okay. So now we got our new one. All right, let's see. All right, tighten those up. There we go. There. So we got the new motor in. I'll wait to plug those in before we're done. So let's get that pinion gear back on. So on that motor shaft, of course, there's a flat spot. So you want to line that flat spot back up with your set screw. Want to make sure that you get it in line with the main gear there. Alright, there we go. So, hopefully you can see. Ah, yes. Wants to turn now, so good. So while that we're in here, I think what we'll do is we'll reset the slip plate back to its factory setting, which is, the book says to tighten that all the way down, do not over tighten, and then what you're going to do is back it off one full turn. So that's half a turn, and there is a full turn. Alright, I'll grab our, where'd it go? Oh, there we go. So that's all, should be good to go. We'll put that all back in. Get our case cover put back on. There we go. Down here. The bumper back up. back on. Okay, got our battery in. Let's plug in our motor. There we are. All right, let's see what we get. Cool. Okay, there we go. New motor is in. Let's throw the body on, and we will take it out to the track and see what it'll do. Big old clips. They do make a, Traxxas makes a conversion kit for these. You can do them magnetically, and I might have to check, but I think they can also switch it over to their new quick clip system, which eliminates these body clips. All right, let's head out to the track. All right, that was a lot of fun. Well, we definitely got our Slash back up and going. Lots of fun kicking up a lot of dirt. I love that little track. I mean, it's a little bit, you know what, it's still fun. So, yay! Motor replacement. That was a lot of fun, wasn't it, folks? Okay, so, coming up in the next couple videos, I've got some more Traxxas repairs. Here's Jen's Stampede. It's a nice, fun truck. The problem with it, though, is it's wanting to go, but it's not going as fast as it could. So I'm pretty sure that the slip plate in this one needs to be adjusted. So we're going to dive into that one at some point coming up. And we have our Trax 4 Sport Crawler, aka Mudbug. He's got a wheel that needs a bushing replaced on it, because while he's hitting the trail or crawling down the road, I got a wheel that's doing this, and we can't have any wobble. So there'll be another video coming up. As always, please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and I appreciate you guys coming by. Till next time, stay charged.